Hi friends, let's see how to rotate the column data and row data reverse order. For this, you need to use transpose feature in Excel. Let's see the demo part. This is the sample data at month Jan, Feb, March, April and subscribers. And our expectation is the month has to come in this order and subscriber. First, we will see how to use transpose feature, and second, we will see how to use transpose formula. First, for this transpose feature, select the data, copy that by clicking Ctrl C, or you can click right and copy. Next, wherever you wanted to paste it, select the cell. Now, you can go in the home, there is a paste and paste special. The same thing you can achieve by using Ctrl Alt V shortcut key. So you can click here or you can use Ctrl Alt V. You will get a pop-up with the paste special. Here there is an option called transpose. Click that and click OK. Now you can see you have achieved that. Same thing we'll see in transpose formula. This is same expectation, but here we are not using our copy paste option. Here we will use transpose formula. First, for that, we need to see how many rows and columns are there. There are 5 columns and 2 rows. So, for that, we need to select 2 columns and 5 rows in the reverse order. Select the range. Now, type equals, type TRANSPOSE transpose. Open the bracket, select the range, close the bracket. But don't click on enter. You will not get the answer. For that, now you need to press Control Shift Enter. Control Shift Enter. Now you can see you can achieve the transpose feature by using transpose formula. Now, one thing you can notice in the formula bar here, why we have entered that Control Shift Enter, that has taken the flower bracket. So this is called array formula in Excel. I hope now you understood transpose formula. One is paste special and second one is with the array formula. Thank you for watching.